Hello, I am Ashlesha. Today I am going to tell about the QuickDraw tool and the AutoDraw tool. So let us start. So the AutoDraw tool is an automatic. We can draw whatever we want, for example a circle, and if we do not draw it properly, so no problem. It will show some options, and if we click those options, our circle can change into a perfect circle. We can select it, undo it, text and etc. Now I am going to tell you about the QuickDraw tool. The QuickDraw tool is also an automatic by the Google. It will give us the task and we need to draw, and it will be guessing it, and if it could not guess it, it will tell it could not guess it. Now I am going to show you all.
I see baseball bat, or roller coaster, or snake. I see swan. I'm stumped. I see dragon. I have no clue what you're drawing. Sorry, I couldn't guess it. I see rainbow, or ear. Oh, I know. It's octopus. I see water. Or pear. Oh, I know, it's onion. I see balloon. Or peanut. I see camouflage. Or brain. Or planet. Or garden hose. I see flower. Or leafy tree. Sorry, I couldn't guess it. I see squiggle. Or hurricane. I see kangaroo. Or arm. Oh, I know, it's tornado. I see string bean. Or dumbbell. Or broccoli. Or trumpet. I see camouflage. Or violin. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.